Hi guys, my stay in Uyo has finally come to an end, and I will be going to my village, my hometown. I need to go and see my family and spend the Christmas with them. I'm going to take you on this journey. We're going to the village. So I'll show you my village. Actually, my mom's village, not my dad's village. My mom's village. To spend the Christmas with them, basically, and have fun with my nieces and my nephews. I am going to show you all what's going to happen at the village. I'm going to record. I promise that it's definitely going to be fun. I am excited because I haven't seen my family in like a year or so. No, actually, I haven't been to the village in like forever. So I am so excited that I will be going to the village this time around. So I am heading out to the motor park, to get a bus. I'll show you around. Okay, bye. So guys, I just got to my maternal home and it was really a long journey, but it was worth it because I get to see my family. Look at my nephew. Hey, say hi to the camera. Hi. Come. Say hi to the camera. Okay, so this is our house. I just got in. I can't wait to shower and get to eat my Christmas food, right? Because that's obviously what I came. That's one of the things I came for. Christmas food is very important. Very important. Okay. So yeah, it was a great journey. It was a tough one. My legs really hurt, but yeah, I'm happy to be here. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Oh God, this is exactly what I have been waiting for. Homemade food, man, guys. So I am having the traditional Christmas white rice and stew with chicken. There has to be chicken. And with some salad. Guys, this is delicious. Salad. You like that?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna eat and I'll come back right at you guys, okay? And then I'll tell you how it went. Cheers. We are about to go out as per going for Christmas activities. And over there is my mom. Mom, come say hi. No, come closer. Auntie, come closer. This is my mom, and this is my auntie, my uncle's wife, and that's my mom. Yeah, and my mom is she's catwalking. Oh, okay. Let's wait for her. She's so shy. Mom, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera. Hi. I love you. I love you, camera. Wow.
Okay, my mom says she loves you guys, and of course, I know you guys love her right back. So we are going right now, and I'm going to show you every activity that's going on. Okay, stay tuned. Bye. Guys, so we are back. Hi.
We are back from where we are from.
Yeah. So guys, Mommy, come on, complete it now. Huh? We're back from
where we are from.
Yeah, and we'll continue like tomorrow.
Yes, that we will continue tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going
the journey continues tomorrow.
The fall continues tomorrow.
Yes,
so
yes.
Good night, everyone.
All right.
I'm not in my own.
Auntie, come and say your own.
Do you know what we did there? We eat unkwobi, roasted fish, and my sister take
drink. What's that?
Meat pie.
Oh, meat pie.
Because this girl is a Jew girl. Oh. She doesn't know. Go and say your own. Now go and defend yourself.
She doesn't know what's up.
You took only meat pie.
I don't understand. It's a lie. I'm not a good girl. I'm a big girl. At least they don't order anything. I ordered meat pie.
So guys, we continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Waterfall. Right? Waterfall. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna be fun.
Good morning. Hi, everyone. So this is another day in the village. We are going to the stream this morning with my siblings, my nephews and my nieces. Say hi to the camera, everyone. Say hi. Jimba, where are you now? Okay, guys, so we are going to the stream. Then later in the day, we'll go to what's the other place called? The Waterfall. Yeah. So, but now we're going to the stream first. So it's been a long time since I visited the stream. So I'm so excited to go this morning, and we're all trooping there, but we're not gonna swim. Oh, are you guys going to swim? No, we're not going to swim. Where's Zimba? He's always hiding. We're not going to swim, but we're going to just look around. So I'll show you. The last time I visited this village was in 2004. I was literally very young. I was a child. Yeah, I remember I visited the stream, but I don't remember where it is now or what it looks like. So I'm about to find out now, and I will show you as usual. Look at the village. Why are you guys so quiet? Come on. This is not a solo vlog. I check the mic.
Okay. Hello guys. I'm Love. So as you can see, we are going to stream.
Wait.
I'm Love now. Let's be going.
You are what?
I'm Love.
Oh, Love.
Yes.
Her native name is Ihunaya.
Okay, we are going to the stream called Amokwa. Yes, the name of the stream is Amokwa, actually. Yes, so we are going there to see some people. Actually, we are not going to swim. Oh, we are not swimming.
You don't know how to swim?
Yes, we cannot swim. So we are going there to just see and have fun.
Yeah.
So
Pass the mic to the next person. Give it to Chidima.
I will say something.
Don't be rude. Okay. So who's the next person that want to say something? Leave him. Oh yeah, take.
I'll sing.
No, don't sing. Sing that. Give me my mic.
Hello. Alright, now say something now. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Do you know the name of this village?
No, I don't know the name of the village.
The name of the village is
Arochukwu. Leave Jibba. Hello guys.
Good morning.
Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel and we are heading to the stream to just have fun. They say that they are not going to swim, but actually
You are going to swim.
me, I'm going to swim.
Do you know how to swim?
Not, I'm still learning.
Do you have a life jacket?
No,
Then you're not swimming.
it's not deep now.
No swimming for you.
It's not deep.
No, because I don't know how to. I don't know how to swim to save somebody. I think, but will you be the one to save Chukwebuka when he drowns? When he's about to drown, you save him, yeah? Ishaki, so look at him, he's running. That's Zimba, he's running. Why are you running like an elephant? Good morning, sir. Okay. Wait, are we taking motorbike? This is not far. Whew. Somebody else is coming to join us. Let's know him. What am I? He's running away. What is this goat doing? Scratching itself. Hello, Ewu. Good morning. Hello. Hello, goats. Oh my god, these are beautiful mansions. So this particular type of building, it is one of the oldest mansions, right? Like this was the architectural pattern in which they built such mansions. But guess what, that building is very strong. I mean, those type of building, they are usually very strong. The bricks they use are usually, of great quality. But now this is the type of buildings. There's the newer versions of the buildings they built this period. Oh, look at that cow. Hi, hello cow. So these are the newer version version of buildings they make these days. They no longer build the first one, the older type that I showed you earlier. Okay, I'm just showing you guys houses. So these are old houses. Firewood. I miss cooking with firewood. Good morning. Yeah, that's how they cook, with firewood. Oh, it's so pretty. That's how they pack the firewood to sell. I want to cook with firewood. See, another pretty bungalow. Oh no, our village is a city. Guys, we're approaching the stream. Look at the stream over there. Over there is the stream. Oh. Hey, Sister Bernardo. I just fell down, no. Almost. Oh my god, look at the stream. Oh my god. Okay, they're not looking at me awkwardly. Let me kind of like record without letting them know that I'm recording. Okay, people here are washing the clothes. Oh my god. We can cut the shaft. Rice or collect. Oh, nice. Guys, this is rice. Oh my god, this is how they make rice. Wow. In that he put about yeah. Or the shaft for him. We can cut the shaft. We can hear back at the rice. Thank you, man. Nice. Guys, this is rice. This is how they wash it. So they harvest it and then wash it in the stream. Then they boil it. They boil it to be able to remove the chaff. This is so nice. Wow. Let me try to open it and see. I think it will come out well after they've parboiled it something. Awesome. Guys, I can't hold it anymore. I'm going back home to get a change of garments so that I go enter inside that water. No, I can't. I couldn't just stand and watch other people having fun while I'm just there staring at them, making videos. I want to enter, I want to get inside the stream, I want to get inside the water. So I'm going back home to get another clothes. I'm going to wet my hair. Hi, I'm going to wet my hair and wet my clothes. I'm so excited. Let's go, hurry, let's go so we can come back on time before everybody leaves, because the more people are in the stream, the more fun it will be. Gone to change, and I'm wearing a shirt. So we're going back to the stream. In case I didn't mention earlier where we are, this is Arochukwu local government area in Abia State, Nigeria. So this is one of the beautiful villages in Abia State. It's called Arochukwu. Arochukwu. KWU. Yeah, Arochukwu is the name of the village. You know, when we mention village, what comes to your mind is local houses, mud houses, huts, you know, people cooking with firewoods. But right now, the houses in the village in this generation are like houses in the city. But the activities that are being done in the village are still the same, like the masquerade. Good afternoon. Like the masquerade activities, masquerade festival, the carnivals, they all still happen in the village, and that's what bring people together at the village square to marry. It's still very much fun. So people will be in different cities where they are hustling. During Christmas like this, everybody tends to come down to their respective villages and, you know, be with their family. This is the kind of place. This is the kind of place where they act African magic movies. Let me show you. We're heading to the evil forest. We're going to look for the egg of life. Close to where the egg of life is, but I think we'll need to sacrifice somebody, and it has to be James. That's your name, Abby. Huh? James. James will be sacrificed. I don't get new name. As they gave me new name today, Nachinaza. Now we're giving each other new names. Oh, if Naya, maybe you're the one who will sacrifice.
No, it's Ivan.
No, it cannot be Ivy. We're going to another stream. Eh? I leave him now, he's a big boy. I hope we're not going to see snake here.
Somewhere like...
Are we going to see snake here?
No.
It just came to my mind now. Will you call me? Will you come as if I call his name? I'll kill it now. No!
It's another Africa.
Cassava. This is cassava. That's palm wine tree. Say it again. The egg of life is here.
Yeah, look at water.
So,
The egg of life.
I thought we were supposed to cross the river. You know, they asked us to cross a river.
No, that's it.
They changed it.
Yes.
So we are not crossing the river anymore.
Easy there.
But we are going to another river now.
Hey, we found the egg of life. So let's go back home. Let's go and give it to Igwe. So we have arrived at a stream that is inside someone's compound. It's a stream, it's more like a pool, or it's a stream. You know the way you have a pool in your compound? Yeah. This is a stream inside one's compound. They call it Imiri Bay George, meaning they judge water. That's Uncle George's water. Okay.
Our beautiful Bobo is tired, and here is Auntie Jessica backing Bobo because he's tired actually. Look at him. Look at his face, very tired. So we are
Which way?
straight, like
Where?
this side. See, we can't find our way back home. We are just coming back from Miride George.
Someone call 911.
We can't find our way again. We are coming back from.
After getting the egg of life, we lost our way.
Yes, we can't find our
What are
way.
you going to tell our Igwe?
That we can't find our way back home.
Yeah, so that we can get the prize from our Igwe.
Yes. Coconut.
I am not going to tell you again.
How are we going to share it?
50-50.
Three of us. And the four of us.
Yes.
No, what we'll do is we'll build a house.
Eh?
I will live in the house 1 week.
Okay.
Then you come and live in the house 1
1
week.
week. Okay, 1 week.
Rice.
It's not right.
No, it's not rice.
It's rice. See, he has eyes. You don't have eyes.
Baba, you're so intelligent.
Look at rice. Our Baba is showing us rice. Oh, sorry.
No.
See? Where are you going to? Let's go.
I want to sacrifice my No! We've gotten the egg already. You don't need to sacrifice yourself. We are done from the stream and we are going back home. I couldn't even swim. I couldn't even do what I wanted to do in the stream because there were too many people there. I'm happy I was able to get in and play with the water a little bit. What's the next thing we are doing? We're going to what? Waterfall. I'll see you guys at the waterfall. Bye.
Hi guys, we are on our way to the waterfall. I said I'm going to record every activities we'll be doing. So we had a quick nap, not a quick one, we had a long nap after returning from the stream. So yeah, it's past 5 p.m. and we're heading to the waterfall. I said I'll make sure to see what's going on there. It might not really be busy as they said it usually is, and also it's getting dark, but I still want to go and see and make videos. Yeah, I probably am not going to stay here for a long time, so I'll make use of every opportunity that I have. We need to take a bike. Okay guys, see you. I'll show you what the waterfall looks like. I can't wait to see it, because if it really sounds like what I've imagined in my head, then it's great. But yeah, I can't wait to see it. I'll show you guys. Okay, bye.
So guys, we are at the waterfall, but we have to walk down to where the water is. It's inside the bush. Huh?
That place is too distant. So I'm going to walk past just for you to view things.
Yeah.
We'll just veer and go back, please, because it's late already. Guys, it's dark already. But I still want to see this waterfall before I go back. So I'm definitely going to see it. Hey, what? That's it, I'm fine. Wow. It's all bush in here. Bushes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. No, but I can perceive the water. Guys. What? I know, right? Oh my god. This is a whole level of adventure. And I'm liking every bit of it. I'm liking every bit of it. Okay. We're close to the waterfall. We're very close. I can hear the sound of the water. I can hear the sound of the water. It's so exciting. Okay, let's go. I'll show you. I wasn't able to see the waterfall clearly. No, I'm not satisfied. I'm gonna come back here as early as possible tomorrow, and I will make video. Oh my god, if you want to lose weight, come and climb these hills. You're going to lose 100 pounds in 10 minutes. So actually I got close to the waterfall, but I couldn't really video, couldn't record it because it was dark. But I saw the water coming up from the rock. I said no, I'm not satisfied. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and then I'll show you. Okay. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all today? So this is a new day. It's past 7 a.m. Today's date is 27th December 2024. I told you all that I will go back to that waterfall today. Unfortunately, I won't be going in the water, but I'm just gonna go there to see the waterfall. And there's another thing. They said they call it 79 steps waterfall. So apparently we're going to climb 79 steps, like staircase, something like that. Yeah. So we're going to climb the stairs, 79 stairs. Then before we get to the waterfall, yesterday we went in through the bushes, you know, because it was already dark, so we couldn't use the stairs. But this morning we're gonna use the stairs. Bye. Yeah, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you all as soon as we get to the 79 stairs. Okay, stay tuned. Hi guys, we are here again. Apparently we don't know how to locate the stairs. So we're still going through the woods. But either way, we will find our way. Okay, let's go in. Let's go through the woods and see. Yeah, right. If they are able to work on this place, it's going to be a mad-ass tourist site. Going is not an issue. Coming back up is an issue. because you go sweat tire. You lose 100 pounds in 5 minutes. Woods. Okay. I think that's a grilling stop. Oh, how did you guys cross? Oh my god! Oh my god, the water is so clean. Wait, I'm coming. Yeah, I'll be good. I'll be good. Thank you. Oh my god, the water is so clean. Ah! The water is so clean. From the rock. Thank you. Let's go! Guys, I'm so excited. I finally saw the waterfall. I'm excited. Right? I washed my face with the water. I felt the water. I didn't just see it. I felt it. Gosh, I wish I'm not going today.
Maybe by first.
First, second, here, DJ.
I would have just pulled my dress and swim. Damn, that water is so clean. Guys, the water is so clean.
They even drink it. People can drink it. It's drinkable.
Yeah,
Very drinkable.
I didn't drink it.
Very chilled.
Okay.
Like
I wish I did. Yeah, it's so chilled.
No, that dirty water. Unless in the morning, like early morning.
I can't even drink that one. I can come here to fetch water. Drinking water.
But it's fun.
Sir?
So you are going to another? Yeah.
Okay. We have seen the waterfall. Now we're going to see we're going to climb the 79 stairs.
Auntie, you're going to climb. I'm not climbing.
It's just stairs.
No. The first time I went there, I shouted.
Did you climb?
It seems as if that you're going to fall down.
Well,
If I fall,
You stand.
I will get up.
I'm not climbing.
We're going to climb the stairs. Well, my sister says she's not climbing,
I'm not climbing.
but I'm gonna climb.
I want to fall.
100 in the middle.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
100. You have to hold hand. 20 you.
The first time I came here, I shouted like, can you do it? Okay. Here you go, here you go. Yes, easy, easy. But don't fall down. Yo. Yo. She did it though. Like, you did it! Yeah! You did it! Wow!
79!
No, she's going back to the Sotra Hotel.
Even the cave safe.
Wow! Yes. Yes.
Wow. Arochukwu is fully blessed.
Fully blessed. This side attraction. One of the side attractions.
Don't be down. If they invest in this thing now, so it's fully see wood. So come just cut one. Go your way. Zoom down is reduce the zoom. Yes, I don't want to. Because I hear when it's too much. I'm excited. Oh, let's go. Let's go. The cave. This way. I know the cave today. Wow. Are you guys see? This is a large rock, and this is another rock on top of it.
Don't fall down.
Do you know, I used to think human beings, maybe scientists had, placed the rocks together, but apparently it's natural. God is good. God is an architect. He's an artist. Wow. Hey, let's go. I'm happy now. No, I want to see the cave. No, you come back 31st or 1st. Yes, I mean.
Another old building.
What?
You know the year this was put there.
No, what year, please?
I don't know.
Wow. Make research, right? Like the dates.
Yeah, the dates.
Oh, what is on now? I am the most excited human being on earth. I am the most excited human being on earth. If you pick that hanky, you turn to yam. You turn to yam. See something.
They really just to scare people.
So they don't carry the wood.
That's what you could have been in your bag.
I am the most excited human being on earth.
The journey has started.
Because I have achieved my aim, which was to see the waterfall and climb the 79 stairs. Yeah! Huh? God, I'm grateful. God is awesome, man.
That water was so clean. The rock. Oh my God. God, you are awesome. I love you, God. Oh, you want to lose 100 pounds in 3 minutes? Great.
You know fit climb this thing 10 times. You know fit. You know fit.
Who told you?
You know fit climb this thing 10 times. You go and come back.
You will gas out.
2 times sef I fainted.
See, I'm already having abs from climbing this hill. My 6 packs is already showing. So guys, if you're coming to Abia State for the first time, make sure you come to Arochukwu local government area. Whew. So there are a lot of fun activities here. So it's because we came in here too early. Oh, people are already coming.
Yeah. But your business.
Yeah, business. Because we came in too early, nobody's here. Usually, people do come. People do come, you know, to party by the waterfall. But I just couldn't wait but to come see it before people start trooping in. And I'm happy. I touched the water. I wish we came here to swim yesterday. Like instead of going to that other stream. But I'm glad. So if you're coming to Abia State in Nigeria, make sure you come visit Arochukwu government so you can come, you know, experience all this beautiful nature. Oh, I'm happy. Yes, God is wonderful. God is wonderful. Like beautiful nature.
Down.
Look at the mountain. Oh. Hi guys. So this is my brother and his family. This is his wife, my beautiful wife. And this is a come on your hand for face. This is my baby boy. Come, Chiboy, come. And this is Chiboy. Come here. This is our first son. My brother's carbon copy. My brother is taking me to the airport. So I'm going back to Lagos. Do you want to go down? I have completed my stay here. I have completed my journey from the villages to Uyo to everywhere that I needed to go. So it's time for me to go back. What is it? Bye. It's time for me to go back to my base. And this one, she's wearing her husband's shirt. Yeah. With Aisha Okoko. So I'm headed to the airport now, guys. I have completed my journey and I'm going back to base. After I went to the waterfall, I actually traveled. I went to my dad's village. That's my village. I was unable to record because I was tired. Content creation it's not easy, man. But yeah, I just stayed for like a day and then I came to Port Harcourt because I'm flying to Lagos from Port Harcourt. So my brother is taking me to the airport. Rather, my brother. This is my big brother. He is noble. I mean, I'm sure you have seen him. And this is my kid brother. I have 2 lovely brothers. Thank you guys for watching my video.